Should you start high-ticket affiliate marketing? We've all seen the claims. You know the ones I'm talking about. You see somebody's cover photo on Facebook, and it claims that you can start earning $10,000 or more per month in as little as 3 weeks or 3 months with little to no work and no experience at all, right? Are those legit, or are these just people trying to scam you? What they're trying to sell you is a high-ticket affiliate marketing program, and generally these will cost you several thousands of dollars. It's enough to earn them over $1,000 worth of commission. Are these things legit? Can you really be earning that kind of money? Today we're going to take a deep dive into high-ticket affiliate marketing, and I'm going to answer all those questions for you. But first, if you're interested in creating both time and financial freedom through the use of residual income in affiliate marketing, then you're in the right place, because that's all we talk about here. Hi, my name is Jason, and let's dive into today's video. So first, I want to begin by saying that in 2008, I was introduced to affiliate marketing when I learned that I could just stick a link on my YouTube videos, and this was on a different channel, but I could just stick a link on my YouTube videos and be earning some extra cash. And so I took that Amazon link, placed it on there. It did not go well, did not make much, but it did work, which is proof of concept. And I knew that if I kept going, I could earn more and more and more. Jump ahead 4 years later, so this was earlier in 2022. I tried high-ticket affiliate marketing for myself. I saw all these advertisements. It sounded like a good idea. And so I took Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Breakthrough Challenge. It's a great course, not digging on it. But don't worry, I'm not promoting it. In fact, if you want to know what my most recommended way to start in affiliate marketing is, just click the first link in the description below and it'll get you set up the right way. But back to what I was saying, I tried to promote his course. Now, the base product is $7 and the high ticket version is $1,500. And if you're at the $7 level, you get 50% commissions. And if you upgrade, you can earn 75% commission. I never upgraded, so I only did the $7 course. That means that if I sold that course, I would earn 50% or $3.50. And if I sold the high ticket course, I would earn $750. Not bad, right? So here I am trying to earn this $750, and 4 days later, I got my first sale. It was a low ticket sale. I earned $3.50, but it proved that it did work. Now, I kept going at it for a couple months, and I started to realize something. If I sold 1,000 of these low ticket courses, I would earn $3,500 per month, which isn't bad. I'm not complaining. But it's also not a lot, and it's nowhere near that 10K per month, right? To earn that, you would need roughly 3,000 sales per month, and then you'd have to do it again the next month and the next month, and you'd have to keep that going. So the high ticket courses is obviously the way to go on that route. If you did about one a week, that's about $3,000 a month, which means to earn that $10,000 a month, you would have to do 3 of these high ticket sales per week to earn that kind of money. Again, 3 of these sales, that's roughly 1 every other day to earn that kind of money, 10K a month, just like selling 1,000 or 3,000 of the smaller courses in a month. It's not going to happen, especially not for beginners. I don't know, maybe if you're a multi-millionaire throwing paid ads out everywhere, but if you're just organic on Facebook and throwing out a small YouTube video every now and then, it's not going to happen. I'm just throwing that out there. Is it a scam? No. You do get paid, it does work, but you're not going to earn $10,000 a month in 90 days or less with no work and no experience. If you had the experience already, that'd be a different story. If you put in more work, that's a different story. Still really hard to reach that much, but could be possible. But what they're trying to sell you on, it's not going to happen. And that's why like 80–90% of affiliate marketers fail. Because they try these high ticket courses, they get sold on the dream, they try it out, they do not get anywhere near the results that these people are promising, and so they end up quitting. And now they're never going to try again because they're like, oh, that didn't work, and their dreams are crushed, and now they're back to their 9-to-5 job for the rest of their life until they're like 80 years old when they can finally retire. And the sad part is the people who sold them this dream of $10,000 a month in 90 days or less, these people that are advertising that are probably not making that money. Because like I said, maybe 1 in 5 can actually make it work, but the majority of these people do not have it working for them. It's kind of heartbreaking because affiliate marketing does work, but the way these people promote it, it's like jumping into the deep end right away. I'm all for taking action, but sometimes you got to take baby steps, not these big giant leaps, not going from nothing to a $10,000 a month side hustle out of nowhere. You got to take baby steps. You got to get started the right way. Again, if you want to know how to get started the right way, check out the link in the description below. You're not going to be paying thousands of dollars. You're going to be getting the help you need, and you're going to have a product that's reasonable and that you can actually promote with pride and earn residual income, which is the way to start. So I would say high ticket affiliate marketing is the hardest kind of affiliate marketing. Eventually, if you do want these $10,000 months, you probably should be getting to high ticket affiliate marketing, but it is totally okay to start with $3,000 a month residual income, using all that extra cash you're bringing in to invest in these courses, invest in these mentorships, because you're probably going to invest $1,000 to $2,000 on a course, and then another $1,000 to $2,000 in one-on-one coaching, mentorship, maybe even more than that. Plan on having at least $3,000 to $5,000 saved up extra that you know you're going to throw away to further your education and your skill set. You don't need this money. This is saved up extra that you've already earned in residual income, and you're just using this to improve yourself. Once you're at that point, because while you're getting up to that point, you're also getting the marketing skills, the sales skills, all of this experience, and you're getting ready for the next big step instead of just diving in there and not working out and then you quitting forever. So that's my take on affiliate marketing. But honestly, once you get to that point, why not just use your experience and skill and extra money to put into scaling your residual income even higher? Because with residual income, you get the time freedom that promoting high ticket affiliate marketing will not give you. So if you want to get started to build up your residual income so you can at least get to that point to decide if you want to further get more residual income or take high ticket affiliate marketing, then watch this video because I explain it all and how to start and get everything set up. I know you're going to enjoy it. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.